Yep. They'll figure it out. Mm-hmm. We got a weekly zone 760 up to 815. We're back in it. Might just kind of range in there. You never know. Full disclosure for YouTube, today I'm trading in the sim account, practicing or getting used to these strategy, trying out this new strategy buttons. We'll see how it goes. I might go live on the funded. Trying to get used to this strategy, make sure everything works the way I want it to work, set the way I want it to be set. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. All right, you guys are live on YouTube. Can I get a sound check?
Sound check. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big bro, little bro, smaller bro.
Older bro, wiser bro,
Everything older.
real bro.
Hey, can I be the paisa, bro?
The who?
The paisa, bro.
What is that?
Like a Mexican, bro.
Oh, then absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Wouldn't that be bro Mexicano?
Mexicano, bro. I gotta be careful what I say. But you are welcome.
Yeah, and I'll be the big black bro.
Diversity for the bros.
Lord of mercy.
Oh, God. Hey, we're a diverse family of love in here.
Yeah. So far, the strategy thing is working pretty good. I need to try out the break evens and the trail stops.
Yeah, they're pretty good if you get your points right. The auto break even, auto trails. Sometimes
Right.
they if your data lags, it won't feel it. You know, like if internet goes going in and out, it'll but it's pretty good to have on your chart. That way your orders are already pending.
Yeah.
Right. Because they can be really powerful for you not to use them.
I think that the main thing that draws me to it is the fact that it calculates your position size off the candle ranges.
Right.
If you give it more room, it's going to take less size. If you give it less room, it's going to take more size. Pretty cool, and you don't have to think. It does it all for you. And you can still move. You can still move the stuff around if you want on the chart, so that it's not. If you want to give it more room or less room. You can't use any of the standard buttons though, or it deactivates the strategy, which could be a good thing in a certain time. The only thing I don't like though is the entries at the high and the low of the candles. I mean, that it never works out, man. You sell the
No.
low of the freaking candle, you're gonna get stopped. You need
Fucking right.
So I think it might be best to use it on the 1 minute chart, and then you trade the top little tight candle. But then you end up with a huge size and no stop loss, and you end up getting stopped. So I don't know. That's why I'm messing with it, just trying to figure it out today. Maybe the rest of the week. I don't know. Might be best to try it out on the 15-minute chart. Who knows?
Right.
I got it loaded up on the 5-minute chart right now. $200 risk trading micros so that it can take multiple contracts. Five minutes.
Order canceled.
Seems to be working so far.
Order fill.
Yeah, that was a stop loss.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's try something. I wonder if you can, because you can set the tick offset. I'm wondering if you can do a negative number there instead of selling the bottom of the candle. It'll get up into it a little bit. Let's see, -5.
If you built that, you might be able to add the negative in there.
It accepted it, so we'll see. Let's see if it. Don't think it worked.
Yeah, is that your code that you built, or you find that somewhere?
I found it somewhere.
If you go to your strategy editor and
Yeah.
open it up and see if the minimum number is a negative.
Well, I typed in a negative number and it didn't default back to 1 or anything. So my entry should be above the low of that candle, and it's not. So like this, won't go any higher. Interesting. I try to keep my thoughts to myself about it, not to distract the room while y'all are trading. 2 minutes. I got mixed signals. 1 minute. You know what? Maybe this is 5 ticks up, and it's using the close of the previous candle. Find out in a minute. 20 seconds. That doesn't make any sense because it stops down here. There's 5 ticks. Here we go. I changed. What the heck? Ripping, guys.
So
Offer master. Where are we going to go? Could be choppy. I believe we had some unemployment news this morning. We've got some more news coming up, but it's not significant news. 10 o'clock. I'm not sure if I like the way that it follows the candles up or down with your entries till you get filled. I'm not sure how I feel about that. We're gonna go close that gap.
oh my god, we're ripping.
What's the gap price? 960? Yeah, I think it's 960. It's 100 points up. Oh, that's the 4 o'clock close anyways. I'm not sure about the actual gap.
920.
What we have here, 40-point candle so far, 50, going on 60. It's juicy.
I just realized I was muted.
Oh, that's okay.
I was trying to answer your question. You're like, what is it? And I was like, it's this. And you're like,
What is it?
It's around 9:20 for 4 o'clock.
Gotcha.
Wow, massive candle.
You're pretty much there already.
Jeez, a 50.
Likely at the open, we are just moving in one direction.
It's another 40 points to the upside. The gap.
What happened? See, that's not. See, I don't like that.
Order canceled.
Why did it fill me? I don't like that.
Order canceled.
What are you trading? What are you doing?
Just playing with this strategy in a sim account. So I figured it out.
Oh, you're a ninja trader.
Yeah. Just did something that I didn't like, so I'm Gonna try to figure that one out.
Let's get this done.
This is not what I was expecting this morning.
See, I'll tell you what, at a lot of the opens recently, the market opens and it just rips.
Yeah, until
I
you
start getting just,
until you get comfortable to buy it.
yeah, for real.
And then it rips the other
Yes,
way.
that resistance. There's a big resistance for yes.
The open price on the ES. Nasdaq's got a little ways to go. Where's the open on the Nasdaq? I don't have it set. All right. Now, yeah, that works now. So you got to wait for the candle to close. Oh gosh, that's not what I wanted.
Order canceled.
Hit by the dip though. Why doesn't it have multiple targets? It should have multiple targets. What the heck is going on? Targets.
Order filled.
Huh.
Order canceled.
The heck? Oh. Interesting.
Ripping.
It's bullish. I mean, it came back
Order
to VWAP,
canceled.
broke through, came
What's
back,
that?
tested it, bounced.
Holy shit, it's taking 57 contracts.
Order canceled.
This is why I'm practicing it in the sim account. What the heck?
57.
Took 57 contracts and got immediately stopped out. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. That was with a market order.
Jeez.
Custom.
Or-
Again, 57
Order
contracts.
submitted. Order canceled.
Immediately stopped out.
This is weird. I'm not really doing anything.
Shouldn't do that.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
What the?
I rip. Ready to rip or not? We are holding you up.
Not even taking the full stop loss.
What are your thoughts? Can
Hmm.
anyone share?
Leaning bullish.
Bullish.
Leaning bullish, yeah. I mean, I want to get long a little bit lower than this. But, yeah, I mean, I'm
Order
looking for a long,
canceled.
basically. I'm not looking to short.
Yeah, I'm just not sure where to long. I think we are going to 920.
Oh, what the fuck?
Language.
That was. Oh yeah, that's what. I don't know how the heck that happened. I guess when I changed the tick offset, somehow it went from looking back one candle to looking back 8 candles. I think I could set a sell or a buy, whichever one triggers first.
Order submitted.
Triggered the sell first and canceled the buy. Of course, that's the dip buy for the rip. Not doing my multiple targets. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, it was the dip buy.
Yeah. Dip before the rip.
Anyone got long?
Nope.
I was going to press the trigger at 60, but
Order filled. Order canceled.
Like we got 900 resistance.
Order submitted.
Choppy.
Order filled.
Hmm.
Order submitted.
Dang, interesting. S&P just about made a new high today. Got resistance at 97. Weekly zone. Weekly zone at 97. We got an 18-point ATR. Just how I like it. Be back in a couple minutes.
I'm low. I'm out.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you, sir. Making trades?
I tried the long, but didn't work.
I see. Green yesterday?
Yeah.
Nice. Top of the hour. A little bit of news, but nothing major.
Order canceled.
All the way back down. The S&P make a new high? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Happens if I hit. Okay. Do that one.
Order submitted.
Okay.
Order canceled.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Order submitted.
Interesting. Point stop 5 contracts. Is that $200? Nah.
Where is Mr. Berg?
Berg? Probably taking a
Yeah.
break. Probably taking a break today. He didn't have. I don't think he had a good day yesterday. I think a lot of people had a bad day yesterday, including myself. Got chopped up. It's not a $200 loss. Why is that so shallow? $100 loss.
Order canceled.
Choppy? Range bound? Or do we flush? I think we stay range bound. Maybe a new low and then back up. Now Nasdaq's back into the weekly zone. We were here earlier pre-market. See if I'm right.
Or
The hell
Order
kind
submitted.
of stop is that? What kind of target is that? 50 down points. What is it basing that off of? So it got a new low and then bounced. Will it come all the way back up to 850? Sleepy time already? Can I do multiple entries? Nope.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Interesting.
Order canceled.
10-10.
Freaking dumping.
Yes. All the
No
way
gap
up.
fill.
All the way down.
That's disgusting, bro. That's a disgusting move.
I think it was predictable. Same thing as yesterday. Sell the rips.
Drill, baby, drill. Yo, Brendan,
Yo.
how'd you do today?
Up 500.
Yeah, you're shorting.
I was longing actually. Twice.
Yeah, I got
Too long.
right before market opened. I had a long.
Here, let's move down a channel.
Order submitted.
Okay. Thing isn't working right, Black Ops.
Order canceled.
Hmm.
Order submitted.
We're gonna dump another leg. Or consolidate. Gone for? You gone. He gone. Weak low.
Oh, we dumped.
We're dumping. I don't know if I like this strategy. I don't know.
What strategy?
It's like I don't know how to explain it. Basically, it calculates the candle range and positions you accordingly, uh, considering your total max risks. But it makes it hard to get in when you really want to get in versus getting in at the high and the low of the previous bar. Puts you in full size from the get go, so you can't add. And it does some other weird things that I'm still trying to figure out. Of course, it does have custom options that you can set up as well. I got to play with it for a couple more days. Figure it out. $760 is the bottom of that weekly zone. Buyers are at the 8. Seems like a slow day. Not a lot of liquidity on the book.
Nothing. Damn it, I called this shirt.
Did you short it?
I tendered on 60 mentally. And my target was 30 points. Book map, the right side is frozen
Oh yeah,
or
that's
not stuck. I was trying to see on the right side, but it's not.
yeah. That threw me off a minute ago. I didn't realize it was stuck like that. So you mentioned it just now. What the heck? Trailing stop should drop down to 92. 4 seconds.
I think we are going to 750.
There it goes. My first target's 52 on this one.
My aunt was calling. She was telling me that she is going to come next month here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, she wanted to stay for 2 weeks, but
You said, hell no.
I shortened the time for 1 week and a half.
Week and a half? You couldn't give her 3 more days, bro?
She wanted like 20 days
Oh my gosh.
for me.
Order
It's so
canceled.
First target filled.
I don't have the time. I'm ready to short, trader.
Yeah. You want to short now?
At 62.
This is the bottom of the weekly level. Should find some support here. It should find some support
Not yet.
here. Yes. Yes. Yet. It doesn't stop here. There's a daily level at 476, which is like 300 more points. That would be ridiculous. So I don't. What is this line? Are you? What are you? Ah. It's outside of that level now. And a $4 ATR. These were $40 candles. This one, $30 candle there. Getting tighter, tighter and tighter. Too low.
I didn't get filled. It is dumping.
Too low. We don't have mixed signals anymore. Shorts. No longs. 10:30. We're gonna get a reversal or dump all day. Netflix earnings tanked the market last night. I don't understand why it's continuing to dump though. I mean, Netflix? Netflix? I think maybe it's more likely we're pricing in a rate hike next week, more so than Netflix or Microsoft causing this sell-off. Of course, we did hit the top of the daily. Let's look at the daily. Come on.
Order canceled.
What the heck happened? Oh, I changed the chart. Ah, good to know. Don't change the time frame on your strategy or it'll cancel it. All right, anyways, we could pull back
I'm
to
getting ready. Long.
You're going long?
I'm getting ready.
Could pull all the way back to 430 and still be bullish on the daily chart. Ideally, I wouldn't want to see it go under 670, 650. Could do one of these numbers.
And now it's going to have the Capitulation. Get ready.
This is the low from 2 days ago. Low from 2 days ago. This is a pretty heavy candle. Probably gonna go lower. Trail stop, if it was still active, would move down to 54 here.
Damn it. It broke.
That's too many points to give up. I'm gonna lock this in. One minute's bouncing.
Order filled.
All right. Got 300 on 2 micros out of that trade gone for.
Order submitted.
All right, bounce here.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
If we get a train track here, I don't think it'll happen. Good. Nah. Gonna go lower.
Are you going long?
I am long. I don't think you should though. I'm in the sim account, so you already know that. If it was gonna do a train track, it would have ripped up there already. Let's exit.
Order
And
canceled.
let's sell the low. Let's go short. Huge range. That should only put me in 2 contracts. We'll see if I'm right. Two
Order
contracts.
submitted.
That's going to be a huge target. 70 points. First target is 60 points. This candle was 40 points.
Yo.
Berg,
Finally.
Yo.
finally.
Where were you?
Finally, it happened to me.
That's because I have it set to 1.5. If I left it at 1, it would have been a 40-point target.
Are we green?
We're practicing with that strategy in the sim account today. Trying to figure it out before actually trying it on the live account.
What strategy?
Oh, come on. Buy high,
Want to do
sell
something?
low, buy market, short market, custom long, custom short,
I'm
break
long.
even, trail stop. You know which one, Bird. The one you sent me, bro.
I am long trader.
You know what I'm talking about, Bird?
Yeah, to some extent, yeah.
The one you sent me.
That was not a strategy. It was just a tool to
That is
use
a
with unitary.
that is a strategy.
Aha, I didn't know. I didn't watch the video. I saw the tool, so I have no clue.
Ah, well, that explains your confusion, sir.
Yeah, it does. I thought it was just an extension tool to make it easier to enter trades and
Well, I mean,
moving the
it
limit
is
orders and all that.
it's both actually, because it is that, but it's also a strategy because it calculates your position, your targets, your stops, and everything based off of candle range, which is more strategic, right?
Mm. Yeah, and it's also faster. I mean, you don't have to sit there and do it manually. You just press the button and it's done, and it does all
Yes,
the calculation for you, I guess.
yes.
So it's very quick. Yeah.
I don't know if I like it.
I like my long. Let's go.
I'm gonna get wrecked, golfer.
I mean, it's really nice if we're going to have a trendy day, but in a range bound choppy market, this thing is going to get you destroyed.
Yeah, but you have to take in consideration that we have been bullish for over now 7 days. It has to do a correction on the bigger side, and that's what we're seeing today.
I don't know what are you talking. I'm getting paid. I'm almost $200. Fuck off.
Don't stay long. My suggestion is to don't stay long, brother. We're bearish. You should be looking for
My
short
stop is
entries.
break even.
Yeah, well, break even's a loss. The loser. It's not a loss, it's a losing trade. On the other hand, $200 is a winning trade.
And I got top break even.
There you go.
Sell the pullbacks. Wait for the bigger pullback and then sell it. Because I think we haven't seen nothing yet.
And
It's
now
just
they
the
are going
beginning.
to rape.
I'm pretty sure we've seen it all already, Berg. The market loves to reverse around this time of day, man. Unless
Yeah,
we have
it also,
unless
but it's gonna continue tomorrow.
Unless we have some sort of reason to shed 400 points today, we've already done our average. Our average is already done. 230 points.
Where are we on the daily? You should.
We're at the
It would
bottom.
be healthy for us to go down to 690. That would be very healthy. We almost did that. We almost touched 690. Oh, that's just a few fucking
The
ticks.
Dow is ripping. The Dow's green as hell. Well, 180 points. So they're funneling money into industrials and out of tech. The Nasdaq's already done its average daily to the downside, man. I don't know if it's going to do more. We don't have any there's no catalyst. The only thing I can think of is we're pricing in a rate hike for next week. Which, a quarter point rate hike, I mean, I don't know.
If I didn't get that break even, I would be up $400.
If you didn't trade with so much fear, you'd still be long.
I didn't care.
If you guys were using footprint and order flow, you wouldn't had no fear. You would see what's happening and what's happened. A lot of buyers stepping in. It's gonna rip.
Bird. You're pretty confident in your statement there.
Yeah.
Show me the receipts.
I don't need a receipt.
Yes, you do.
Yes. I just
You need to
order
show
flow.
you need to show me the bank deposits, brother. If you're going to say that thing is the magic indicator and it's perfect.
Yeah. And
So-
that shall come from you.
Huh?
And that shall come from you.
So show me the goddamn deposit slips, brother. That's what I thought. I mean, no offense or anything. You can't have so much faith in your fucking indicator, bro. That's my point, I guess. Yeah, you know
It's
that.
institutional tools that I'm using. I'm not using indicators.
Yeah, it's an indicator.
So there you have your receipt. It ripped.
That is not a receipt. A receipt is your bank
That's how you look
deposit.
at it.
Your bank. I want to see the bank account. I want to see how large it is.
I wasn't talking about any bank account. I was talking about the market.
That's the only thing that matters. The only thing that matters is your bank account.
You ain't reaching me, Eric. You ain't reaching me.
What?
You can rant as much you want about that. I don't give a shit.
I mean, it doesn't matter if you care. The market doesn't give a fuck what you think.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm seeing right now.
I'm not giving you a hard time. It's just it's a fact. If it works so good, your bank account should be growing, right?
Yeah, but it comes down to psychology
Of
also.
course. I mean, you know.
I mean, I can't get any higher when it comes to tools. This is it. This is the end of the road when it comes to software and tools, and the rest is up to me.
It's all up to you now, sir. It's all up to you now. What are you doing today, Sim?
Yeah, same.
Did you re-up on your eval or not yet?
No. I'm thinking about cancel this one and take a new one.
Yeah, me too.
I think I'm gonna wait a little. I need to wait a few days. I need to
I'm gonna wait.
take a little break.
We got FOMC next
Mentally.
week. The markets aren't going to do shit between now and FOMC. Pretty much guarantee you that.
I think today we're gonna see some moves and tomorrow, but next week on Monday it's gonna be very calm.
Unless
We're not gonna see any.
I don't think we'll see shit out of the market till after FOMC, unless we get some amazing earnings between now and then, or some sort of geopolitical news. We're in a hold right now because we don't know what the Fed's going to do next week. Do you concur?
Yes, sir.
Gonford, do you concur?
I didn't pay the attention.
Oh, you're just a
Oh my
terrible
God.
friend altogether, man. We're no longer friends. We're just associates now.
Socios.
What do they call them?
Gomper, there is partners in Spanish, right?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Associos.
He's got you turned down, Bert, because he don't want.
Yeah.
Socios.
Turn down. Yeah, associates. It is partners, right?
Yes, partners.
Colleagues.
Call.
No, it's different.
We're no longer cronies. Colleagues.
Colleagues is colegas.
Colegas. Sounds like
Colleagues?
colleagues. Colleagues cornflakes.
All right, I'm gonna cut the YouTube stream. I gotta go in a minute.
Yeah, me too. I gotta go. I got a last webinar today to watch.
Got here.